Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super popular question. What actually happens if you only eat 1,500 calories a day for an entire month? Alright, let's kick things off with a quick refresher. What do 1,500 calories actually mean? For most adults, daily calorie needs fall somewhere between 1,800 and 2,500 calories depending on gender, age, activity level, and body composition. So eating 1,500 calories a day is considered a calorie deficit for the majority of people. That's the key to weight loss. But it's not just about the number. It's about where those calories come from. Junk food and processed snacks might hit the number, but won't keep you satisfied or healthy. The first week is a roller coaster. You might feel extra tired, cranky, or even get hit with a little hanger. Your body is adjusting to fewer calories, and honestly, it's not happy about it at first, especially if you're used to snacking or high-carb meals. But hang in there. Around day 4 or 5, things usually start to settle. Your appetite starts to shrink. You might feel lighter, less bloated, and even sleep better. Oh, and the scale? Yep, it probably moved already, a few pounds down. But don't get too excited yet, that's mostly water weight. The real fat loss is still coming. This is where things get interesting. By week 2, your body starts dipping into fat stores for energy. Hello, actual weight loss. Your clothes may fit better, you might feel more in control around food. Some people even report better focus and mental clarity, but not everyone has the same experience. If you're eating too little protein or skipping out on nutrients, you could lose muscle mass instead of fat. That's why what you eat on 1,500 calories matters so much. Need some extra help? Want to supercharge your results? Click the link in the description for the best weight loss supplements on the market right now. I've listed the top picks that actually support energy, metabolism, and fat burning, all backed by real reviews. Let's talk week 4. You've been crushing it for nearly a month, but suddenly, nothing's happening. Welcome to the plateau. This is when your body starts to adapt. Your metabolism slows down just a bit. Hunger hormones like ghrelin start messing with you. It's your body's way of saying, hey, are we okay? Why are we eating less? The solution? Shake things up. Maybe add a refeed day, a new workout routine, or cycle your calories for a few days. Keep your body guessing. That's how you keep progressing. So, what's the final verdict after 30 days of 1,500 calories? You'll likely lose weight, anywhere from 4 to 10 pounds depending on your starting point. Your portion control gets better, and your cravings might shrink. You'll feel more aware of what your body actually needs. But, if you're too restrictive or eating the wrong foods, you might lose muscle, feel fatigued, or end up with nutrient deficiencies. And for active people or those with higher needs, 1,500 might not be enough long-term. Balance is key. This can be a great short-term reset, but it's not about starving yourself, it's about fueling smarter. So there you have it. What really happens when you eat 1,500 calories a day for a month? It can be a powerful tool, but it's not magic. It's just science, consistency, and making better choices every day. If you're thinking about trying this yourself, plan smart, track your food, and listen to your body. And don't forget to check out the description below for the top weight loss supplements that actually support your journey. You deserve to feel amazing. Drop a comment and let me know. Would you try this for 30 days? Or have you already done it? Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.